In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete voices in ElevenLabs fast and easy. Whether you're tidying up your project space or simply want to remove some of the custom voices you've created, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. Deleting voices can help keep your workspace neat and ensure that you're only working with the voices you need. Ready? Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Voice Lab. Think of the Voice Lab as your control center for managing all your audio creations. Within this area, you can listen to, edit, or delete any of your custom voices. Once you're in the Voice Lab, take a moment to get familiar with the interface so that you can easily manage your files. Now hover over any custom voice that you wish to delete. This is your opportunity to focus on the specific voice you no longer need. Hovering over it will highlight your selection, helping you confirm that you're targeting the right voice for deletion. Make sure you're only hovering over the custom voice that you are ready to remove to avoid any accidental deletions. Next, look for the trash icon. You'll find this little icon conveniently located on or near the voice you're hovering over. It serves as your deletion button, much like the delete or trash option you'd find in email applications or on your desktop. Clicking on it will initiate the deletion process, effectively preparing the voice to be removed from your collection. Once you've clicked the trash icon, there's one more important step: confirming the deletion. A confirmation prompt usually appears, asking if you're sure you want to permanently remove this voice. It's a safety net designed to prevent accidental deletions. Make sure you double-check which voice you're deleting. If everything looks correct, confidently confirm your decision. This final confirmation removes the voice completely from your collection, freeing up space and helping you maintain a more organized and efficient workspace. That's all there is to it. Deleting voices from ElevenLabs is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Remember, you can always create new voices if you decide to reintroduce something later. So don't hesitate to clean up your library whenever necessary. By keeping only what you need, you streamline your creative process and maintain better control over your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.